Hello and welcome to the 1000 Curiosities channel. My name is Christian and today's video is about the anteater. The anteater is an insect-eating mammal, part of the suborder Vermilingua, which means worm tongue. There are 4 extant species of anteater: the giant anteater, the silky anteater, and the northern and southern tamandua. Anteaters are closely related to sloths, but also to the armadillos. Anteaters live in Central and South America from Honduras to Bolivia. They live in tropical and dry forests, savannas, and grasslands. The African anteater, called the Aardvark, is not related to the South American anteater and is part of a different family. An anteater can eat up to 30,000 ants in a single day, sometimes even without becoming full. Anteaters do not have teeth. They are slurping ants, licking them very fast with their tongue in order to avoid being stung by them. One animal visits up to 200 termite nests in a day in order to satisfy its caloric requirements. In order to better digest the ants, the anteater also swallows some sand and small rocks. It is one of the only 2 species of mammals in the world that don't have teeth, the other one being the pangolin. Anteaters have different sizes depending on the species. They have a robust body with a fur that can vary in color from various hints of gray to dark brown, with 2 black stripes which start from the chest and end at the beginning of the tail. The fur from the legs, tail and the rib area is longer, being able to reach a length of up to 40 centimeters. Unlike other mammals, the anteater's superior limbs are twisted towards the back and are provided with strong claws which measure between 4 and 6 centimeters. The tongue of the anteater is 60 centimeters long and has a cylindrical shape. Its eyesight and hearing are not so strong, but its sense of smell is very well developed. Anteaters are characterized by a long, tubular snout. The most well-known species of anteater is the giant anteater, which is also the largest. It lives in Central and South America, being a lonesome animal, preferring diverse habitats. The physical aspect of a giant anteater is impossible to confuse. It can reach a height of 1.2 meters and the length, including the tail, of 2.4 meters or 8 feet. Its tail can measure up to 1.2 meters in length. A giant anteater can weigh from 27 to 45 kilograms, that is between 60 and 100 pounds. Its weight can vary depending on the age and sex of the individual. When walking, the giant anteater protects its claws by retracting them, and this gives it a funny walking aspect. The giant anteater is known as a shelter thief, being accustomed to invade other animals' burrows. The gestation period of a giant anteater female is quite long, up to 190 days. After this period, it gives birth to only 1 baby. Although it is an excellent swimmer, the giant anteater likes dry areas, preferring to hunt at night in the wild. Another anteater species is the silky anteater. Its dimensions are close to a squirrel, having a length of maximum 40 centimeters, out of which its tail measures 18 centimeters. Unlike the giant anteater, the silky anteater has a smooth, silky fur. Besides ants and termites, they occasionally eat bees, bugs, and insect larvae. In captivity, they also feed on fruit and meat. The African anteater is called Aardvark, which translates to the anteater pig. It is called a pig due to its snout, which looks like a pig's snout. Unlike the South American anteater, the aardvark grows a few teeth when it becomes an adult. It is a nocturnal animal, preferring to sleep during the day and going out in search of food during the night. Apart from ants and termites, the aardvark also feeds on the fruit of a plant called the Aardvark cucumber. Cucumis humifructus, the aardvark cucumber or the Aardvark pumpkin, is a kind of cucumber from Africa and Madagascar which fruits underground. It is reliant on the aardvark to eat the fruit in order to spread and rebury the seeds of the plant. The aardvark is the only animal which can dig with ease to unearth it. It is a very courageous animal, defending itself from attackers with its large claws. The aardvark can dig a hole that is 50 centimeters deep with an incredible speed in under 15 seconds. An aardvark female gives birth to a 1.7 kilograms cub after a gestation period of 243 days. Aardvarks weigh between 38 and 64 kilograms. Their ears are long and similar to those of a rabbit. Anteaters can be very dangerous. When cornered, they will stand up on their hind legs, holding the front legs like two arms. Specialists call this position the anteater's hug. When in this position, an anteater must be taken very seriously. There are documented cases when anteaters killed human hunters with their strong claws. The giant anteater is classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. The biggest threat to the species' survival in the wild is habitat loss, according to the IUCN. The animals, which have poor hearing and vision, are prone to being killed by cars traveling on roads that cut through their territory. When sugarcane plantations are burned before harvest, sometimes anteaters are killed or severely burned. They are also hunted for food and in the illegal pet trade. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. My name is Christian, and until the next episode, all the best.